Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect segment to your dashboard for UX Event Analytics. To connect segment to your dashboard for UX Event Analytics, start by logging into your segment account. Once logged in, navigate to the Sources section on your segment dashboard. Click on the plus New Source button to create a new source for your data. Select the type of source that fits your application, such as JavaScript or mobile SDK. After choosing your source type, follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. You'll be prompted to enter your source's name and provide details like the right key. Once the source is created, make a note of the right key provided. Next, go to your application where you want to implement the segment integration. Install the segment library according to the selected source type. For a JavaScript source, you can add the segmentanalytics.js snippet into your HTML file. Ensure the snippet is located before your closing /head tag. Now, initialize the segment library by using the right key you noted earlier. With the segment library initialized, you'll want to track user events within your application. Identify the UX events you want to track, such as user clicks or form submissions. Use the analytics.track function to send these events to segment. Make sure to include relevant properties for each event to capture meaningful data. After implementing the tracking for your events, it's time to test your setup. Use Segment's debugger tool to monitor the sent events and verify their accuracy. Once confirmed, navigate to the Destinations section in your segment dashboard. Click on plus New Destination to create a new destination for your event data. Select the analytics tool or dashboard you want to connect to, such as Google Analytics or Mixpanel. Follow the prompts to configure the destination settings as needed. After setting up the destination, ensure it is enabled on your segment dashboard. Return to your application and perform some actions to generate the tracked events. Navigate back to your dashboard and check if the events have been received. If all events are appearing correctly, your integration is successful. Now you can analyze the user experience by exploring the data within your dashboard. Make any necessary adjustments to your event tracking to refine the insights further. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.